We all know that salt water is something you should never drink because it can kill you. If you're unaware of the horrible fate that awaits if you try, then check out this video that I made.
Slap like now.
However, what I forgot to mention is that you can make salt water safe to drink. Using these two ways, you'll be able to chill on the beach with a safe to drink cocktail if you find yourself cast away. The first one is desalination, a pretty common process where you boil water to separate it from salt. Of course, anyone who made salty soups knows this just won't do it, which is why the water must be turned into gas first, leaving salt particles behind as the condensed water vapor slowly drips out. Think of it like making a tiny artificial rain cloud. Some parts of the world rely on this method, such as Saudi Arabia, and have many factories working on it because their freshwater sources are not enough to support everyone. The second, less known process, but a much faster one, is freezing it. Once the water is frozen, the salt gets pushed below the surface area as the water turns into freshwater ice. After it's melted, you'll be left with sodium-free water. However, because it contains salt, it will take a bit longer to freeze than regular water with the freezing point at 0 Celsius. This is because dissolved salt ions mix in with water molecules and they prevent the freezing process for a little bit. This little feature is also why people put salt on the roads in winter. So the next time you find yourself stuck on a tropical island, just find a freezer. Shouldn't be too difficult.